Hey, it's Brian Rogers back with you, and on today's video we have a few guests.
Hello.
As you can see, we have Anthony, Power Ranger Anthony actually.
That's right, I was about to correct you on that.
I'm sorry, Anthony. This is Ken's son. He's with us today. We're gonna make, what are we making today, Anthony?
An oil-free hummus.
Oil-free hummus, and because this is Fool's Gold plant-based barbecue, we're gonna make an oil-free barbecue hummus. What do you think, Glenn?
I think yes.
Here it comes, barbecue
I
hummus.
think yes.
Okay, here we go. We're gonna do a oil-free barbecue hummus. I have Power Ranger Anthony
Yes.
on the right side over here. I have my son Quinn here, and I'm gonna just be along to kind of help in this recipe. Now, do either of you guys know what hummus actually is?
I don't know the
Oh,
meaning of it,
it's
but it's a type of sauce, I think.
Okay, types of sauce.
Chickpeas.
Chickpeas, very good.
Yeah.
So it's chickpeas. Hummus is a very popular dish, but here's the thing. Everybody knows how to do like normal hummus. Today we're gonna do an oil-free hummus, which is pretty unheard of, but we're also going to do barbecue hummus because this is Fool's Gold plant-based barbecue. So what do you think, guys?
Sounds good.
All right.
The one time I did have hummus, I don't remember having it, so
Well, you're gonna remember this time, Anthony.
yeah.
So Anthony is controlling the recipe down there. Actually, let's show him real quick, Anthony. Can you
Yeah.
turn it around real quick? These are one of our infographics that we have in the Next Thing Smoking Foundation, which, by the way, go check out. You can get all these for free. They're great little recipe cards that you can use. You got it, Anthony?
Yep.
They're great little recipe cards you can use, and for a minimum donation of $50 or up to $5 million or $10 million, whatever you can donate to help us fight childhood obesity. At Next Thing Smoking, you're going to get recipes like this and a lot of others. So, you guys ready to do some hummus?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, Anthony's controlling the recipe. What do we do first, Anthony?
All right, so first we need to put in 400 grams of chickpeas.
400 grams. Who can say how many ounces 400 grams is?
I don't know.
Glenn, Anthony? 400 grams, I think, is approximately 14 ounces. Is that what we found out, Quinn? Okay, so we have a can, Quinn, the garbanzo beans, the chickpeas. How many ounces we got there?
15 ounces.
15 ounces. We'll call that close enough. What's the second ingredient on there? Hold on one second. We're going to put the finished dish here. We're going to put everything in here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Don't pour it in yet, though.
Oh,
What's the second ingredient?
all right. 1/3 cup of I don't know how to pronounce
Aquafaba.
it. Aquafaba.
Who knows?
Aquafaba.
I will give anybody here except for Ken, Anthony, or Quinn, I will give you a crisp $100 bill
Crisp?
right now,
Okay.
or just a regular $100 bill.
Can we work
If you can
together?
tell me what Aquafaba is.
Aquafaba.
Hmm?
No.
This isn't the spelling bee.
Um,
You don't have to spell it. You just have to tell
Can
me
I
what
look
it
at
is.
it?
Yep.
Where is it? Right there?
Hmm?
yes.
Is it this?
No.
Is it on this?
Probably not on the table. I'm not.
It's
This
this.
isn't like.
It's this.
Okay.
That's aquafaba.
You have to tell me what it actually is, not
Not
what.
like the chemical.
Okay.
No, I don't know what it is.
Anthony.
No.
All right. So aquafaba is actually used for a lot of things, especially in the plant-based world. We use it a lot to make mayonnaise. We use it in pies. We also use it as oil sometimes too. And aquafaba is nothing more than the juice of chickpeas.
What?
It's the juice of chickpeas. That's aquafaba. So we're going to pour the whole thing in,
Okay.
the aquafaba and all, as well as all the chickpeas.
A lot of times, a lot of recipes, people will just drain it and not use it. Well,
That's right.
with hummus, you usually always use the aquafaba.
We're using the aquafaba in place of oil in this recipe. So we're not using oil. We're going to try to use the aquafaba to make it just good. So what's next, Anthony?
Okay, let's see. 6, I think it's tablespoons of lemon juice.
Lemon juice. All right, Glenn. 6 tablespoons of lemon juice. We have a lemon.
I hope I read that right.
I have something really cool today. I have my new knives. Are we going to use the cleaver?
Yes.
The cleaver? Or are we going to use this bad boy?
Your new Japanese knives.
The kukuri.
The kukuri. We're using the kukuri. So how much do we need here?
6 tablespoons.
Look how sharp that is. 6 tablespoons. So Quinn, let's just squeeze both of those in there.
All count it as 6 tablespoons.
Yeah, so count. How do we count? So squeeze them real hard like this, man. Put them like in your fist and just squeeze them in. Just like that.
Like this?
Yeah, just squeeze. Like
And
just
try not
muscle.
to make
There you
a
go,
mess.
there you go. Woo! That's getting everywhere. Okay? So keep squeezing. Get as much as you
Ow,
can.
my eye. I'm
As
just
much as you can out of them. What did it call for, Anthony?
6. Oh, what? Yeah.
6 tablespoons.
6 tablespoons, yeah.
Come on. Gotta keep up here, Anthony. Come on.
No, now that we're squeezing lemon juice,
Hey,
there's a lot
Anthony.
now.
If let's say a Power Ranger used a knife, they don't use knives, right?
They use daggers.
Which one would they pick of these two knives?
Um,
Which one's more of a Power Ranger knife?
definitely. For the way the camera's going to be seeing it, the one on the right, definitely.
This one?
No, the other.
This one, yeah.
Yep, that one, definitely.
Quinn, which one do you like best?
That one.
Yeah, I do too.
Yeah,
All right,
that's what
so
that
you got those
is.
squeezed. Let's squeeze one more. Let's squeeze one more of those. I'll take those.
Oh, I feel like the cleaver would be like as big as.
Oh, yeah. So Anthony, what grade of school are you going to be in now this year?
I am going to be in 6th grade.
6th grade. Quinn, what grade are you going to be
I'll be
in?
a junior.
Junior in high school. Both smart kids here.
The smell of that lemon juice is really making me want lemonade now.
Hey, maybe we'll do that here in a minute.
Okay.
Both smart kids, but neither of whom know what aquafaba is until today. So what's next, Anthony? Got the lemons. 6 tablespoons.
1.5 tablespoon of cumin.
Okay, so cumin.
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 So cumin. So our regular recipe calls for cumin and for salt. But here's what we're going to do instead. We're going to go off the recipe because we're making barbecue hummus. We're going to use, what it called for cumin? How much cumin?
1/2 tablespoon.
Okay, Quinn, instead of the cumin, we're going to use 1.5 tablespoons of it's our brand new Fool's Gold all-purpose seasoning. SPG, salt, pepper, garlic. It's got some paprika in it. It's delicious. We're going to use that instead of the cumin and the salt.
This is pre-measured.
It is. I pre-measured it. So we're going to throw that in there, just all of it at once, okay? What else, Anthony?
Alright, next we need 3 cloves garlic.
3 cloves of garlic. All right, Quinn? We got the garlic?
There's
Put
2.
those right over here. We're going to use 2.
Okay.
So what you want to do with garlic is once you have them kind of peeled like this, is we're going to kind of hit them like that and smash them like that.
How do you do that without cutting yourself?
Took a lot of practice. So you do it like that, and then you kind of put it to the side, and we're just going to
Rough chop.
rough chop it. We don't need to do much because we're putting it in the food processor. So there you go, Quinn. There's the garlic. You want to put that garlic in there? We're making hummus. Look how easy this is. Like, you guys have never made hummus, right? We're making this look easy.
Is it so easy a caveman could do it?
It is so easy a caveman could do it. All right, that's good. All right, what's next, Anthony?
I'm not sure a caveman would know how to put in pulse a blender.
We'll do it in a second. What else do we have to put in?
1/2 tablespoon of salt.
Okay, we're gonna skip that because we put the barbecue seasoning in.
Okay.
What's last?
3 tablespoons tahini.
Tahini. Okay, another quiz. Who knows what tahini is?
I know exactly what it is.
You do?
Yeah.
For real? Anthony, do you want to guess before Quinn says it? Look. Any guesses?
No, I have no idea what it is.
Okay.
Mayonnaise in it?
All this is do you know what sesame seeds are? Like the sesame seeds you see on buns sometimes? Like all this is ground sesame seeds. That's it.
What?
That's all it is. Ground
into a
sesame
paste.
seeds. Sesame paste. Yeah,
So
so go ahead
you're
and
saying if I took a sip of that right now, it would just taste like sesame seeds?
it would taste like sesame seed, but pretty bitter. Because you don't want to eat that really alone. Let's just pour this whole thing in there, Quinn.
Oh, wow,
Whole thing?
okay.
Yep, the whole thing. I've already got it pre-measured. Just go ahead and take the whole thing, pour it all in there. All right. That looks pretty good. All right. And that's the whole thing. Now, here's the thing. We already put some barbecue seasoning in it, so here's what's not on that recipe card, Anthony. Fool's Gold barbecue sauce. I know you've had that, right?
Yep,
Is it good?
it is good.
It's real good. Quinn, I'll let you do the honors. We're going to do like 2 tablespoons, approximately.
He's had the barbecue
A
jackfruit,
little more than that.
and he loved it. He didn't even
Okay.
know he wasn't eating meat.
And then, do you guys like hot, spicy stuff?
Depends.
All right, we're going to put just a drop.
A dabble?
Just a dabble. You don't really like hot stuff either, do you?
It depends.
All right, so a dabble of that. Just a dabble. That's
There we go.
perfect.
Good thing it's not the ghost pepper one.
I know. We should put the ghost pepper in there. Should we have?
No.
Okay. All right, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to have Quinn pulse this. Go ahead and pulse this let's do 5 times, Quinn. Okay. All right, now let's all, okay, Anthony, you got your finger. We're going to all put your finger up here on there, Anthony. There you go. Oh, put this over a little bit. All right,
Can I
Quinn.
go on top? Would that be better?
Yeah, you go on top.
Yeah.
I'll go on the bottom. Or put Anthony's hand up there. We're all going to, this is I don't know if this is a Power Ranger move. We're all going to give this magic though. Ready? Anthony, you say it. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Go. And poof, we have hummus.
Nice.
What do you think of that? Look at that. We have, look at this, barbecue. Go ahead and pour that in there, Quinn. I'm going to get some chips.
It looks good.
There'd be the blue thing.
All right.
We don't talk about that.
We have a barbecue hummus. Whoops. We'll just put that over here. It's fine.
I didn't know that came out.
That's fine. So here we go. So we're going to go. I'm going to pull a dabble of that, Quinn. You do a dabble, and then we'll give one to Anthony.
Looks good.
Looks pretty good. I got you. What do you think?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. It needs a little bit more barbecue sauce, right?
Maybe a tad bit more.
Let's have a bit more barbecue sauce. That's pretty good, though. That's the amazing, we're going to call this Power Ranger barbecue hummus.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Do this hummus recipe. This is so easy. You saw us do it in real time. These two have never done hummus before in their lives. It's so easy, guys. Just do it. This is an amazingly healthy recipe. You can use this in wrap. You can use it on pizza. You can use it to dip vegetables in. You can spill it all over the counter. You can do whatever you want with hummus. So we'll see you on another video.